Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Now we are going to create a Google form. In this video we can see how we can create Google form in our mobile phone as we can create Google form in our laptop. Now we can open our Chrome in the Android mobile phone. Then in the search web you can search everything which you want, anything. Then I am searching here Mutha Tulba Islam Pakistan. Then next go to that three dot option. Then next click on desktop site here. Now you can see your Android mobile phone screen has a desktop or laptop. Now you can see here more tools, and at now there is a setting tool, and at that point there is a app tool, and at that point there is a Gmail account tool. Now we can touch here on the Gmail account tool. Here we can change our Gmail account. You can add Gmail account and use different Gmail account as you want. Then next you can click here. Here the Google's apps are open. At the last there is a Google form is present. Now you can touch here on Google form. Here all the Google form options are present. Now here we can create our Google form. If you can given some contact information, you can use this RSVP and part invite. You can use always already create designs. Already create design are known as template gallery. Now we can create new, start a new form. We can click here. Now first of all I can give you all the these feathers introduction. What are these feathers and these feathers? First of all there is a written untitled form. When you can touch it on the untitled form, here you can write your title. Now I am writing here optometry in Pakistan. Then next option you are seeing here, it is a drive option. Here you can see your all the document which you can create. When you can create, you can find here all the option, and there is a bookmark option. When you can make a star, it is the save in the bookmark option. And here is a questions, here is a response, here is a setting. Then we can see after seeing these all options. Now we can see this option. This is a theme option. Here we can change our theme of our form. Now I can add red color here and the timer color. Here we can choose image, header image. Here we can choose image and the header image. Here we can choose our font style. You can use different font style as given. I am using the basic for your easiness. Then next option where the I symbol is present, it is the review form. When you can create your form, you can see here has the your coordinate, see the form, and this option is the your back. And after editing, if you cannot be effective editing, then you can click it, you can be back to your previous, and then you can click it, you can go to the next. And it is a send option. Here you can send via email, via via email, via Facebook, and via Twitter. Here there is a three dots option. When you can touch it, there is a further options. Here you can make a copy of this form. You can move to trash, get a pre-filled link, and you can get link is here, and you can print the form here, add to the collaborators. Here you can add persons, and there is a script editor, and add once, and at last you can change your Google account which you can want to use. Now here we can see these parts. Questions. We can add optometry in Pakistan. Our title is optometry in Pakistan. Then we can use our description if we can want to add our description. Then there is a question. Here you can add more question, and here you can add the type of a question. There is a multiple choice question, short answers, and the paragraph answers, and the check boxes, drawn down file uploader, and multiple choice grid, and the checkbox grid, date and time. You can also add here everything. It is very easy, but firstly you can know what the feathers options. And here is a plus option. When we can click plus, we can add one more form. And here is a speed up option. Here you can which you already create form. Here you can see it, and you can use and then paste from here. And then add that. There is a text option. Here you can add any text, any questions. I am using Pak Army. Sorry for the screen disruptions. And then next, here you can add any pictures of the questions. Here you can add any video on the YouTube. When we can click here, you can enter URL, video URL, or search here video. Here I am searching. Now you can add videos here. I search Mufti Dara Masood Sahab. All the bayanans and the lectures of Mufti Dara Masood Sahab can be come here. You enter URL here and then submit here. Then now I cut this, and these two options, when you can touch it, you can form a new section. There is a session 1. You can session 1 you can add is a short question session, then long question session, then the MCQ session. Now we can see all these features in our this video, how to we can create our form. Then the video trail to creating a form is given in the next video. When we create a form, then we can send option. We can send it via the email. We can copy our URL and send via WhatsApp and the other files. And here you can share with the Facebook and the Twitter. And then email option, and the subject and the message. Here this is the written automatically. I have invited you to fill out the form. Include form in the email. Here you can include form कर सकते हैं. Here you can add collaborators, and then you can submit it. Here we are seeing URL. Here you can touch shorten URL. Then you can copy this URL and paste anywhere. When any candidate touch this URL, they can open your form and the fill form and then submit the form. So thank you so much for seeing my videos, and I hope that you will be able to create your own form. Here you can add questions and everything.